Today's video is going to be around point of sale and how that is integrated throughout the whole program. So once done a cash sale, get some product in, hit cash, everything else is updated. We go back into our invoice list, cash customer, and there we go. So real time and everything else knows about it when a process has been completed or a sale has been done. Now, if you haven't watched the main demo video on how all of these modules come complete with TrueERP and they run throughout the whole program, please go ahead and watch that video now. So if we go ahead and jump back into our POS at the top here, our point of sale, and again, real simple, select your products, hit cash, sale done. Now these buttons and functions can be customized in many different ways. If we go into file at the top here, customize POS, we can see what makes this keypad up. So we can see our invoice button, we can see preset not in use. So if we want to add a button, it's real simple, just click on the empty space, select what function it is, whether it is a product selection or whether it is a different type of function being other. So to create an invoice, like these labor options, EFT reprint and so on, these would be the different types of functions. But real simple, you just select a product, you can add that in here. If we select our batch product, we can see once it's gone blue, it's working. We can see it's populated in here. You can call it whatever you want. You can give it a second line name if we choose. We can give it a shortcut key. Let's try a different one. We can change the font around it, and we can position it. As we can see here, this is now being positioned however we want it. Once that's done, go ahead, hit save. We can now see that that button has been activated. So if we go ahead and click on it, we can see now there is that product. Go ahead, hit cash, sale done. If we jump back out of POS and go into our invoice express list, we can see there are those transactions. So updated immediately. If we then close out of there and we go into our product list, say look at our batch product, we can see that all the information here has been updated immediately. So if we go to customer history, we can see that that batch product was done in POS, the date, and what was the product. Again, simply double click and it will take you back to what makes that up. So linked throughout the whole program, and you can really get a grasp of what's going on within your database. We can see what's available. This will have immediately been updated, what's on build, what's been allocated to sales orders, and so on. So just a huge amount of information here. If we go back into our POS at the top here, we can do multiple tills. We can see different customize options here, unit price amount, whatever you want to see on this field over here. Whatever fields you want to see, simply tick them. Whatever fields you don't want to see, simply untick them. You can add fields like that. Again, we can go to customize POS, and we can add different keypad titles if there are numerous keypad titles, and we can add different tills for all our different cost centers, so or different computers, if I can say that. So whatever till number it is can be renamed, assign that to a computer, what is the location of this till, and so on. So great way of adding different tills at different locations. If we jump out of POS, so again, multi-site capable, and as well as that, we can look at choosing different preferences for our POS setup. So if we jump into utilities, preferences, and we go to POS, huge amount of information here. So different preferences for your receipt printers. Use receipt printer for POS, use cash draw for sale, cash draw only, You can hide line amounts on receipt if lay-bys or all sales. Receipt print footer, whatever you want to see on there, type it in and it will print out that. As well as that, if we go into our POS one last time, we can choose to select products from here or certain functions from here as well. As well as that, we can search from the product list like so. As well as that, you can add specific customers, so not just a cash customer or a card customer. You can select what customer specifically you would like to do this for. Again, select a product, whatever they want, some beer, and there we go. It'll load the information here, it'll load the product, hit cash, and it will update that information for this customer within the customer card. So great way of following up and seeing what customers do what for you. That'll also help when adding loyalty programs, so that'll link through back to your CRM. So if you want to attach loyalty programs to that and for those specific customers, you can do so. So there we go, that's your POS, your point of sale. Again, this is by no means a detailed presentation to suit your business. This is just a brief overview of how to access point of sale, what it can do for you, how it links throughout the whole program, and how easy it is to use. So there we are, that's point of sale. And if you'd like to know more regards to TrueERP, please give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help you. So there we are, that's POS. Thanks for watching.